books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
New rules.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all the numbers. Ready or not, guys, here Franny comes. I'm gonna find you. I found you really quick. I'm amazing at this game. The bucket was a nice try, though.
Well, next time, I'm gonna find the best hiding place ever, and you'll never find me at all. Robber in the deep, dark night. You better stay out of my sight.
I'm gonna find you. Aha!
Nope, doesn't count. I can't be seen.
What do you mean? Yes, you can. I'm looking right at you now.
Yeah, Bucky, I see you too.
Can't you see I'm standing on one leg? That means I'm invisible to the one who's in.
Where'd you hear that nonsense? There's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. It's a secret rule that's only for advanced hide-and-seekers. I made it back to home base. Looks like Bucky wins again. All right, Bjorn, you're it.
And now, what? You're just invisible whenever you want?
As long as I'm standing on one leg, yeah.
Well, I don't really feel like playing hide-and-seek any longer.
Why don't we try freeze tag for a little while, guys?
Sounds fun. Come on, Bjorn, you be it first. You'll never catch me.
Franny, I gotcha! I'm frozen! Totally covered in ice! Frigid, frozen, icy!
Looks like I've got you trapped.
I beg to differ. As long as I'm sitting on the ground and pulling on my ear, I'm protected against tagging.
It sounds like you made that up.
It's from the Professional Freeze Tag League. It's right in the rule book. The ear hold rule.
I've never heard of an ear hold rule.
Then I don't know what you've been playing your whole life, but it certainly wasn't actual freeze tag.
Let's play dodgeball instead.
If you get hit, then you become it. Dodge this.
The magical pony likes macaroni.
I got you, Bucky. You're it.
Oh, no, I'm not it. Because I just said the magical pony likes macaroni. And because I said that, the hit doesn't count. You're it again.
Come on. Bucky, there's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. Everybody knows it but you guys.
Oh, yeah? You can go play with all your crazy rules by yourself.
Great. I would love to, you noobs. I could invent a better playmate with my paws tied behind my back. Except not really, because I need my paws to hold tools and stuff. Done! Your only purpose is to play with me, you got it? We'll start with hide and seek. You close your eyes and count to 5. Then, come and find me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Really? That was pretty fast. Let's play another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Again? That was so fast! It isn't fun when you always find me so quickly. All right, let's try a little freeze tag, and you're it! Target invasive. Engage countermeasure protocols. Now I recite the words, tag, you are it. But this isn't fair. You're completely too fast. Forget freeze tag. Let's play dodgeball. Engaging dodgeball protocols. Target acquired. Dodging the ball would be recommended. Hey! That is why this game... Hey! Give me a break! ...is called dodgeball. Ah, that's it! The magical pony likes macaroni! Giant badger in a tutu. Giant what? What does that mean? The statement, giant badger in a tutu, renders the statement, the magical pony likes macaroni, ineffective. You have one reminder for today. Play hide and seek with your good friends. Do what? Hide and seek with my good friends.
I made it back to home base.
Well, I kind of almost caught you.
Hey, guys, can I play with you?
We missed you, Bucky. I guess you can play with us again.
You're not going to invent a bunch of crazy new rules again, are you?
No, I'm not.
Then it's time for freeze tag, guys. And Bucky, you're it!
Wait, the magical pony likes macaroni!
Bucky, not that again.
Only kidding, I'm playing fair. I promise, just real rules. If you guys turn left again, I win!
Bucky!
Bear
Investigations.
It was a dark and stormy day. The poor, unsuspecting Umbrella had no idea what was about to happen. The game was afoot. What was that noise? I must be hearing things. Or was I? And the storm finally passed, but a storm of a different kind was brewing. Listen, Bjorn, did you borrow my umbrella by any chance?
No, I didn't. Why would I? I have one. It's right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
It was just in this spot. It was right here. That's weird.
It gets weirder. Bjorn, my umbrella disappeared as well. One moment it was there, and the next it was gone.
That's incredible. Sounds like we have an umbrella snatcher on our hands.
Do you realize what this means?
Well, no.
I'll tell you what it means. Officer Bucky and Sherlock Bjorn are on the case. So our master detectives set out to crack the case of the century. Their first step, get a Groovatronic Sleuthmobile. It's Detective-licious. With their eyes peeled as their tires squealed, our detectives got on their way to solve the crime and save the day. What's this? A witness? A suspect?
Franny Fox, someone has been stealing umbrellas. Your umbrella hasn't gone missing, has it?
No, mine's just fine.
Don't play innocent with us. We know everything.
You do? Awesome! Why is the sky blue and not pink?
I'll ask the questions here. Exactly where were you all night long, Miss Fox?
Home, in my bed.
Ha! I knew it! Spill it! Where did you hide the umbrellas? Start talking!
Bucky, I don't think you're detecting right. Why would Franny steal our umbrellas? We have to uncover the thief's tracks to find them.
The tracks! Yes! Officer Bucky wouldn't relax until he found the culprit's tracks. The umbrella was right here. The thief just snatched it up and then ran off. Where are his footprints?
Chicky, help us. Go! Find the tracks.
Chicky had quite a beak for crime. Got him? Good bird! Look, there were 2 thieves. The plot thickens.
Wait, look, there were 4 of them.
No, 6! There's a whole gang of thieves!
Bucky, wait.
And Bucky waited.
We're following the footprints we're making.
And just like that, their only lead vanished. Back to square one again. 1, we know our umbrellas were stolen by a thief. What's more, the criminal left no tracks. Thinking the thief used tunnels. Our umbrellas were stolen by moles, that's it!
Well, I'll be. Moles, wow. So how will we ever get our umbrellas back from them?
Elementary, my dear Bjorn. We build a mole trap and catch that umbrella-snatching mole. We just need to find some bait.
Find some bait?
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any more umbrellas left. Moles took them.
Well, I've still got one.
And so Officer Bucky, armed with nothing but a silly hunch and a gigantic IQ, set about creating a trap for the mysterious umbrella snatcher. Justice with a side of genius. Here goes. We're about to catch a thief. He'll be tunneling out of the ground any second now. Any second now. Any second now, trust me. Then, swooping down from the sky, a plot twist.
Get it, Bucky! Trap it! Your trap thing totally didn't work.
It's for moles. Last time I checked, moles don't fly.
Come on, Buck! How can we catch it?
Let's go! We need to follow it! Hurry! Time for a little hot pursuit! You're not getting away!
It's flying towards the outer woods, where it's easy to hide.
Bjorn, take the wheel!
Why?
I've got a plan! He bravely risked it all for the safety of umbrellas everywhere! Oh, yeah!
Nice shot! Moles, huh?
It was a reasonable theory given the evidence.
Aw, look at the cute baby birds.
Sure, they're cute, but those umbrellas are ours.
I don't mind. They're welcome to mine.
They're welcome to my umbrella, too.
All right, whatever. They clearly need it. They can have mine, too. This detective's going back to work. I'm still pretty certain that those moles are up to no good. A detective's work is never done.
The Invisible Bear.
Marvel at the genius at work.
Morning, Bucky.
Hi there. Hey, why is your scooter squeaking? I could look at it for you.
Thanks, but I think my scooter's running just fine.
All right.
Bucky, you should wash up. You're filthy.
Wash up again? I just washed up yesterday. I'm so tired of it. I need to invent something that lets me never wash again. Whoa, that's a mega brilliant idea. A mild detergent, some loofah seeds, fur softener, assorted potpourri, plus a mountain of bearish genius. Adds up to Bucky's Perma-Clean Potion. My days of washing up are done forever. Looks like it worked. All the dirt vanished. Now I'll just apply it everywhere. That way I'll stay clean forever. Perma-clean. Nobody will ever see another speck of dirt on me. Who could that be?
Hey, Bucky, we're on our way to play some tag. You want to come?
Bucky, where are you?
Hi, you guys.
Who said that?
Can I be it first?
It must be a ghost. Run for it!
Oh, good idea. Ghost tag. Sounds like fun. Let's play. I'm in. I'm a horribly scary ghost. I want to run my icy fingertips down your spine. Boogie, boogie. You can't hide from a ghost. Ah, my face is gone. Bjorn, help! A ghost erased my face.
Wait, what?
My beautiful face. My
Bucky?
twinkling eyes.
Is that you?
I think so. This is just bananas. I made my Perma-Clean Potion to make all the dirt vanish, but I guess I made everything else vanish too.
Can you make an unpotion to reverse things so your face comes back?
Genius-y thinking, Franny. I just need to do everything I did before, but backwards. Horibo assorted, softener fur, seeds loofah some, detergent mild up. Vaccine clean Perma Buckies. Done. Now we just need to wait 8 hours and 41 minutes.
Bucky, could you please stop wandering around the room? Because it's seriously spooky creepy.
Bucky, hey, what if I colored you? Then we could see you again.
You're full of great ideas today. Try to stay inside the lines.
You look fantastic. Good. Almost finished.
There's not enough green. Now a little touch up over here. Oh, that's nice. You are a work of art.
So, I look really good?
You're a neon dream.
I'm not sure this is the look for me. Chicky, what's wrong? It's me, Bucky! Chicky, just be careful. Catch him before he smashes everything.
Here, Chicky. Oh, well, I tried.
Where is he? Where could he have gone?
Come on out, you feathered sneak.
He's there. Chicky!
Franny, stop that bird! Come back here, you beaky little weirdo!
Chicky bird! We're not mad at you!
Speak for yourself!
Smooth move. Now it's broken.
Hey, Bucky, I think some of your dirt on Vanisher got on me.
Me as well. Hey, what's happening to us?
Guys, what's going on? You're vanishing! Hey, guys, where are you?
Ouch, Bucky! You stepped on my paw.
Really? I couldn't see you.
No worries. I couldn't see myself either. So, what do we do now?
Hey, Bucky, where'd you put those markers?
How long do we have to wait?
The unpotion should be ready in, about 8 hours and 27 minutes. Franny, can you tell me why my nose is green?
Your nose? Look at me. I'm at least 53% green.
We're sort of stuck with green. All my other color markers are pretty much out of ink.
It's fine. Let's just finish up.
Ooh, give me green thumbs. I love plants.
As night descends on a colorful day, we're hoping our faces will go away. It looks like we're all visible again. Get it? Looks like.
Visible? But we're all covered in marker ink.
Maybe I could invent something that would clean all this ink off.
That's how this mess started. We don't need an invention to get clean. We just need a little something called soap, all right?
Soap? But soap stings my twinkle